Maybe he smokes some. Oh, this is really
coming.
scary. I'm a little bit spacing out, but
Tea time. What time is tea time?
she's wrong. No caffeine?
No caffeine.
Boring. How we gonna get success?
Yeah.
This
You
is
gotta
how we
tell.
will get successful.
Why?
If you don't follow us, you will have bad luck. Sina. Yes?
Yes. No.
No?
No. Cheers to our life. Tea. Everything. Yes. Heaven.
It looks like, can we roll it? Can we roll it?
It's nice.
Oh, it looks like.
It smells really nice. I like.
I'm from Turkey. Yes, actually it's from US.
US.
It smells tea, ladies and gentlemen. It's so nice. It smells homey a little bit. Ceylon tea. Everywhere is tea, man. Can you imagine this is all the. Like you are happy all life. You know? Oh, the machines.
Percent moisture in tea leaves from ventilator fan. And we use 5 kilo of leaves for make finish 1 kilo tea, 5 for 1. Then we drop this leaf next machine for next process. Please come with me. I will explain. This is our first step.
Okay. I'm a little bit spacing out. But I am trying to keep it up with you, but let's go. Let's go.
What's your name?
Harami.
Harami, thank you so much for this tour and having such great energy. Thank you.
This way.
This way.
You leave the phones, please. Oh, this is really
Coming.
scary.
Where are we going? Open sesame. Thank you very much.
You have all the process, huh? Wow, okay,
Okay.
let's go.
This is our sample box. There are 4 kind black tea: BOPF, BOP, FP and OP. Broken orange pecco vanilla. This is strong tea, good with milk.
No caffeine?
No caffeine.
Boring.
What time is it? It's tea time. What time is it? It's tea time.
She's wrong. It's never tea time. It's either Bacardi time.
We gonna sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up because it's your birthday.
Or
Pinky up? Where's your pinky at?
yes, now you are drinking
Done.
tea.
Now we
Yes,
have tea.
done. Hadi enjoy, guys. I'm closing.
Yeah.
I know how to dance in the rain. Tina. We are in a very big supermarket right now. You guys can find everything here. We are going to find what? We are going to find some wine and some separate. Cheapest red wine. This is the magic words.
So you watch on your own time, okay?
Yeah. This is how we're gonna get success. This is how we will get successful. By forcing people. Tricking them. If you don't follow us, you will have bad luck. Tina. Yes?
Yes. No.
No?
It's a no for him.
And this is what we're gonna drink and celebrate because we post our video today. So we have promised ourselves whenever we post video, we are celebrating. It doesn't need to include alcohol though. But we are feeling after the separation all, she's not gonna. So after all, and we post in 3 days, we made the video and post, so we want to celebrate with Chardonnay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going for nasi goreng, special chicken and paratha. So let's go. Maybe he smoked some.
Like, for what reason? Like, you sit in the brown chair. Sit in the brown chair. It's so
Look at the chair. It's so funny. This is what we are eating in Sri Lanka. And he chose the best one.
And one for you. What is that? That looks good.
Yes, man.
What is that?
It's not chicken. Chicken? Oh no, I will eat it. Done.
Thank you so much for the food. Thank you so much
For the mood. Bless. Put your hands like this. Yes, bless it. Yes, very nice. Okay, cello.
Tiny, bon appetit.